To connect Alexa to your Roku devices, open the Alexa app and tap the three-line icon at the bottom of the screen. Then go to Settings and tap TV and Video. Next, select the plus icon next to Roku and tap Enable to Use. Then, enter your Roku username and password and tap Sign In. When you're done, tap Accept and Continue. Then tap Continue to Alexa app and Next. Then wait for Alexa to connect to your Roku devices. This can take a minute. To ensure the connection, keep your smartphone within 10 feet of your Roku device. You also want to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network on both devices. Once Alexa connects to your Roku device, tap Set Up Device. Next, select the Alexa speakers you want to use to control your Roku device and tap Link Devices. Then, choose the room where your Roku device is located and tap Add to Group. Finally, tap Continue and then Done. Once connected, you can rename your Roku device by opening the Alexa app and tapping the light bulb icon at the bottom of the screen. Then, select your device and tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Finally, tap Edit Name and enter a new name. This will be the name you use to control your TV with voice commands, so make sure it's easy to pronounce. For example, you can say, Alexa, turn on my Roku TV. Then, you can search for content by saying, Alexa, search for Unsolved Mysteries on Roku. To start playing a movie or show, say, Alexa, play on Roku. To skip past the opening titles, say, Alexa, fast forward on Roku. When you want to stop, say, Alexa, pause on Roku. If you have trouble hearing, say, Alexa, turn up the volume on Roku. Finally, to jump to the next episode, say, Alexa, skip on Roku. If these steps helped you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.